Welcome back. Now, GetResponse does have an area where you can use webhooks. And one of the things you'll notice about the webhooks in GetResponse is that they are for moving information out of GetResponse. GetResponse currently does not have a straightforward way of being able to use webhooks to bring information in. If you're using a Go High Level sub account and you want to use a webhook, you need the webhook URL from the platform in order to work with the automation. And that would actually be the same that you would need for GetResponse. So in other words, you need a webhook URL if you are going to transfer information out of a platform and move it into another platform. In the case of using webhooks, you need to move information out of another platform and into GetResponse in order to add people to your email marketing list. And so if you find that you have practically run out of options for integrating GetResponse to your platform, this is when it may be a good idea to turn to a third-party cloud-based connector like Zapier or Pabbly or Make.com. The service that you choose will obviously depend on the availability of your platform along with GetResponse. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.